Let's get this cook started. All right, so this is power battery right here. It can go up to 8 to 10 hours full charge. All right, see, once I put the battery in, it's getting going. All right, you're gonna press anywhere. All right, so do you hear anything? That fan's supposed to be on, but it's not. All right, so let's turn this off. And then we're gonna have to get it going. See, there it is, fan air connected. All right, so I know what to do. So just pull you out, and then I'll bring you back and show you what to do. So when this happens, you have to make sure that the battery's out, right? And then it'll pop off. You see? All right. So there's your board. There's connections, right? So go put you back in. Let's put you back in. And I believe that should be it. All right. So that's back on. Get the battery. Let's put it back on. All right, let's see if it works. All right. Well, you can see. Bring it a little closer right there. Right there in front. All right, see if we hear a fan going. There it is. I hear the fan. Can you hear it? All right, so that's the fan right there. That's going. Now it's working. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and set this for, let's go, no, let's go for 2:30 for right now. And it's white. All right. So I'm gonna let it get it going, and then I'll bring you back. All right, it notified me that it's reached the target temperature. So it's 228, 230, 224. All right, so we'll see if it sticks around 230. If it goes up, down, you know, I'll keep you updated on that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get those half rack of baby back ribs and put them on. 276, target temps 230, right? So you can see it's over, and that's what's been a problem with these ASMOKE Essential Pellet smokers. And I love the way it looks, I honestly do. But, and yeah, but we'll roll with it. All right. So let's just get these baby backs. I'm gonna put them right in the middle, just like that. All right. So we're gonna let it ride, and then we'll see what happens. We'll see. But let's close you up. Let's get you back on. Get you back latched on, and then this is it right here. Pellets, and they do provide their own ASMOKE pellet. So that's what we got. 5-pound hopper, and then Here's your little grease tray. All right. And then slowly pull it out because I've added beer to the tray. So supposed to give it, flavor. But yeah. And then there's where all your ashes go. Keep the moisture, help moisture right there with the liquid. But yeah. So it's at 273, 230, 275, 271. So we'll see. We'll see if it goes down, but I'll bring it back, keep you updated. We're rolling. 233, 230. So throughout this past hour, it went up in the 270s, then it dropped down, and it's been at around 238, 240, 242, and then it goes down. So it's been a lot. But yeah, okay, that was weird. But it's been yeah. It's been, like that, but consistent in the 230s, so it's a lot better. I was feeling that it was going to be remaining in 270s or high, but no. So let's check it out. This is an hour. So that's what we got. All right. So yeah, it's coming along. I'm gonna wait to spritz it, but what do you think? All right, so just close it up and then we'll continue on. Two hours in, temp's been going up in the 240s, in the mid 240s, but it's going. Look, take a peek inside. Right, let's check it out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a spritz. It's just water. Use what you like. All right. So it's coming along. It's coming along. A little close up. All right. Good, good. After 2 hours. All right. Well, bring it back. I'm gonna add some chicken breasts. Nice meaty chicken breasts. Look at that. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna move you to about right there. Let's get you on right there. They're gonna fit. Get you right there. And the last one. Right there. Perfect, right? Look at that. Man, we loaded. Just right there. All right, so I'm gonna close it up and then we'll continue on. All right, moving along. So it's just been going up and down like that, but it's been staying up in the high 230s, low 240s. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wrap it. Yep, there's the breasts. I probably got maybe, I don't know, 2 more hours left maybe, but we'll see. But for sure, I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna hit it with that rib candy for Texas pepper jelly. Yeah, mango, right here. So what I'm gonna do, Just gonna go and squeeze some right there. All right. Yeah. All right. So we got that. I'm gonna go a little more right there. All right. So then, yep. All right there. Yeah. All right. Just like that. Wrap it up. And then back on the pellet grill. Just like that. All right. So we're gonna let it ride and then continue on. That's what we're looking at with the temp. It did go up to 302 and then it dropped down, and it's just been steady in the high 260s, so that's pretty well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off now, unwrap it, and let it firm up for a bit in the grill. But look at that. Yeah, it's looking good. Chicken still got way to go, you know, but it'll get there. So I'm gonna take this off and then put it back on. There it is. All right. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna let it ride for a bit more, and then it'll be done. But they still got it quite a bit. It's time to take off the ribs. Yeah, look at that. Well, they look beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna take them off, let them rest, and then these will finish up. And you can see I bumped up the temp to 320, so it's over. And I did add the meat probes, get them going. So right now one breast is hitting at 172, so that one's done. And let's see what the other one's at. 143, 145. So let's check it out. Yeah. So the smaller one right there. All right. So I'm gonna take off the big one. I'm gonna let the small one go for a bit more. I'm gonna check that one. All right, so in the beginning, we had that problem, right? The fan did not turn on. It's the second time it's done that to me, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen again. So as you saw, that was the fix. Unplug, plug back in, and it worked. So that's what I was told to do, and did it, and you saw that it worked. So that really was the main issue, only issue that I had throughout this cook. The temps, you know, they did go up high, but that's whenever I would adjust the temp, and then it'll go back down, and it would stay around the number that I chose. So overall, it did good on that, and I didn't have an issue compared to other people, other YouTubers who the temps would skyrocket high, and man, they just gave up on it. But so far, the temps, it worked out for me in this cook. But I mean, just overall, it smells good. Tell you, it looks fantastic. It really does, from the baby backs to even the breast. I mean, man, juicy, just man. But hey, it's nighttime, so let me take a bite of this. Hard to tell, but oh yeah. That's good. And here's the breast. All right. You know, I want it to succeed. I want it to work well, so I'm gonna keep at it. You'll see some more cooks from it. But yeah, it's time for me to end this. I gotta go inside, right? So, thank you for being with me during the day, nighttime. But as always, thank you for bye. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Let's go grub. See you in the next one.